You're live.
What you doing, Pumpkin? How's it going? You seem quite happy. And nibbly. How's your little babies? Quite big, don't you think? Yeah, they're big. Yeah. It feels like tapping in this area. Slight little tapping. Oh, you like the camera, don't you? Yeah. You're live right now. Yes, you are. Want me to show them your tummy? You don't seem to mind. Hope you don't mind. There you go. That's Pumpkin's giant tummy. And she wants to say hi. Say hi, Pumpkin. Oh, you look tired. She's saying hi. Say bye, Pumpkin.